Hello everyone, welcome back for a new video. Today I'll show you how I made these floral earrings using polymer clay. Firstly, take a clay sheet of medium thickness for the base. Use any shape of clay cutters in consecutive sizes you prefer. Press the larger clay cutter on the base. Next, gently press the smaller sized clay cutter on the surface of the clay. Press just on the surface, not too deep, to get the outline. I did this way to create a border instead of adding an extra rope of clay. If you already have such framed clay cutters, use them. The outline did not look perfect as I could not see from the correct angle due to my filming position. Next, take a thin sheet of any metallic gold polymer clay. Use any teardrop microclay cutters. Use clay glue to make the sculpted pieces stick better. Place the tiny pieces on the clay base to form a leaf bunch. Use a precision craft knife to make small details on the leaves. Next, take a thin sheet of clay to cut small rounds. Add small line details on the rounds. Arrange the textured rounds like petals to form a tiny flower. I'm slightly folding petals to make the leaves beneath them visible. Add 3 or 4 petal flowers based on the space available. I wanted to make the base more colorful. I'm using pan pastels. Apply the color, leaving some spaces. I'm using black color next. Blend the colors smoothly. I felt darker flowers would be nice, so I applied a magenta color to the flowers. Once completed, bake the pieces. These were baked, sanded, sealed, and assembled. I sealed the base with a matte varnish and the flowers with a gloss varnish. No need to seal leaves. I hung chains and brass charm from the stud post. Hope you liked this video. Thank you for watching.